And Jolo, guys. Hi. Whatever, man, it's sad and painful to see your brother investing so much in Mjolo. You know, it's sad and painful. And it's not jealousy. Trust me, it's not jealousy. It's sad and painful. I will explain why I say so. Especially because when you are in my position in life, you are able to see things from an umbrella mode, like an umbrella mode, right? When I'm talking about an umbrella mode, I simply mean that you are seeing everything that people cannot see. Langushi Jamar. And it's sad, man. There was this other video of one of our brothers trending recently. He was crying, screaming his lungs out for a girl, you know. And it triggers some memories in my life. I've been through that before. I've cried for a woman before. And hi Gabine, but I just don't see myself crying for a woman again. Hi Gabi, not with the position that I'm holding in my life. I just don't see myself crying for a woman. And many people will confuse this. Many people will say, nah, this guy doesn't know love, or this guy doesn't love. Trust me, I can love a woman up to a point that I can lick her ass. I can love to that point, right? There's a difference between love and stupidity, right? And I feel like some things you're just stupid, you know. Some things it's not love. You're just stupid in general. And the stupid moments, they don't mean that you're stupid in real life. You're just stupid when it comes to relationships. Kore, the things we are seeing out there, guys. Actually, I need water. Bonnie! Ish, you won't hear me. I need water. Abanam jolo ne. I don't know, man. My brothers. I don't know how we can work around this one, but man, bafowethu. No, man. I feel like you are investing way too much in Mjolo than your future. And bafowethu, that's not good. Legisa team, man. Yeah, bafowethu, legisa team. Because now I've noticed the amount of energy which niggas invest in Mjolo, and they don't invest that same energy in making money. That is where I'm starting to have a problem now. That is where that is where I'm starting to have a problem. When my brothers invest way too much in Mjolo than making money. And then now after that, they come to people like me and ask for e-wallets so that they can maintain Mjolo again. Doesn't make sense. Just this year only, only this year, I've had more than 10 brothers of mine asking for money to do the abortion. Over that 2021 only, 10 brothers asking for money for the abortion. Others asking for money because their girlfriends' birthdays are coming very soon. Therefore, they feel the pressure. Kore, the effort, the energy they put in Mujolo, I just wish it was the same energy they need to put in making money. You know? And bafowethu, yeah, elan disappointa jo. Bafowethu lan disappointa. Yeah. Yes, sis. Kore, my brother to brother, man, brother to brother. You know, I got him fana, man. Mara brother to brother mpinchaka ne. Ejo dira nyuku jo. Mfoti dira nyuku jo. Twala dilo tso di dirang jo. Ejo dira nyuku. Prioritize making money, dog. I'm telling you, you'll end up like that nigga who was crying on a live video. On a video which was trending recently. Yo, you see these niggas, these couples on social media, the couple who are looking charify, but don't worry, I won't mention names. Relax. But these couples that you see on social media, every day, lovey-dovey, nagnova levelela nje, ginora, ya. Yeah. Because now, women have advantage, coming to think of it. Women have advantage because broke men want women, rich men want women, right? So women have advantage because it doesn't matter what you have as a man, but you still want a woman, right? Men with money want women. Men without money still want women, right? So women have that advantage that even if as a woman you didn't make it, you can easily find a stupid guy who's fucking rich, who has money, right? You can find your it's easy. As a woman, you can achieve that. But we can't say the same thing about us. Men, you can't find a woman with money just like that. If you find a woman with money, in most cases, that woman is old enough to be your mother. You see where it sucks now. You see where it sucks. So women have advantage. So I can't say much about them because Bona, Bagano decide about they don't want to make money, then they specialize in buffet. They're still going to make it in life. I've seen niggas buy women houses. I've seen niggas buy women cars. You know, in my family, when my dad used to work at the mine, his whole salary, he used to give it to a woman. That is my mom. So we can't pretend that we don't see these things. We see these things. They happen in our families. Your father is sweating up and down, going up and down, working hard. Month end, your mother is the one controlling the card. Your mother is controlling where the money is going to go. She didn't do anything. She just sits at home. She gave birth to you. That's the only thing your mother did. So we can't ignore these things. So women have always had advantage from way back. And I feel like as much as we claim that, we men claim that we are doing this for ourselves, which is true, yes. But at the end of the day, we are making money so that we can get to live our best lives. That is dating the woman of your dreams. Because certain women, you cannot date them if you're a nobody in life. You must have money to date them. And when the money gets finished, you should know. You shouldn't wait for anybody to tell you. When the money gets finished, the relationship gets finished as well. You know, that doesn't need a ruler. Sorry, let me just let me reconnect this thing. Sorry. Yeah. Sorry about that. Yeah, I'm trying to charge my phone here. Yeah, so women have always had advantage like over us, like all the time, you know. They've always had advantage like all the time. So now I'm concerned about my brothers who are investing way so much in relationships than making money, you know. Because now with what I'm seeing out there, with what I'm seeing out there, people, hey, yeah, bafowethu rajelwa yona yo kuri wena wena wa social media wena ba poster every day, yeah, bay this, bay that, bay this, bay that, bay this, bay that. Mara, the things which are happening behind closed doors. And I've noticed there's always one common thing, and there's always one conclusion with this type of things, and it always ends in tears for most niggas. And now the difference between us and women is that I don't know how deep women love, but I know for sure that women have heavy hearts, right? When a woman gets hurt, she's able to forgive you. She's able to continue. I've seen that with so many families. The guy has flopped so many times, but the family is still standing because of the woman. So women have, I don't know if they have strong hearts or what, but yeah. Now on the other side, men, we men, just getting hurt once in jail, it's over. Just getting hurt once in jail can, hey. Now I'm talking from experience, because I'm talking from experience. I'm talking as a victim of love. I'm talking as a victim of love. Now, gents, listen to me. You can never be enough for your woman. With that behavior, you can never be enough for her. I've been a victim before. I've been there before, dog. You know, their love on its own. Love on its own, it's not enough, dog. Love on its own, it's not enough. Because I was once in that situation. I gave her everything, dog. I made sacrifices. If I had to steal, I would steal just to make her happy, dog. I've been there. But there comes a time where your woman outgrows you. There comes a time where your woman starts thinking about the future. And the sad part about it is you are not part of her future, yet still she's still your woman. We have seen these things. And these things mostly happen. They mostly happen when you don't have money. You are most likely to be a victim for these things. I'm telling you. You can give your woman everything, Be as romantic as possible, dog. Be as romantic as possible. Do everything right. Give her the best sex, dog. Make sacrifices. Your last 20 rand. Buy her airtime, dog. Kuri, move everything everything you can ever think of. But there's always gonna be one thing missing. And I think this is what creates an imbalance between men who have money and men who don't have money. Because if you had to put me in a relationship, me personally, I'm a bastard. If you had to put me in a relationship, I'm a bastard. 100%. The reason why I say I'm a bastard is that I'm hardly on WhatsApp, number one. I hardly answer phone calls. I don't want to go out on random dates. On your birthday, I'm most likely not to buy you gifts. I'll just say happy birthday. I'm a bastard. You understand? But what makes me stand firm, yeah, is that I have money. 100%. I have money, dog. And you can't touch me. That's what makes me strong. I'm a bastard. Now, the other side, you can do everything right, dog. You can do everything right. Talk to her every day. Talk to her every day. I simply mean from 6 in the morning up until 12 midnight, telling her sweet things, Googling sweet words. On her birthday, buy her flowers, light candles, buy her gifts, which you don't even have. You probably took a loan to do these things. Go to spoil her to the core, post her, do everything, mfana. Me, the bastard, I'll just make one phone call to your girlfriend. And I'm like, yes, baby girl, where are you? She's like, I'm at what, I'm about to go see my boyfriend. I'm like, cancel that shit. I'm going to send my driver right now. He's going to fetch you and take you to hotel numbers, room number, bang. I'll see you there. And then I hang up my phone. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference now? You see the difference? Now, I hope you are able to see the difference. Now I'm giving you brother to brother advice now. Fuck what everybody thinks. I'm giving you brother to brother advice. Chief, make money. You will never go through shit in your life because of a woman, fana. They would rather hate me. But make money, dog. You'll never go through shit. Never go through shit, fana. With these scenarios, I'm talking about the woman that you have sacrificed for, mfana. The woman that you have sacrificed for. There is always that one nigga who's gonna make one phone call, dog. She's gonna drop you off, my nigga, because you are broke, dog. It doesn't mean she doesn't love you. Don't get me wrong. She loves you with all her heart and soul, but you are just not enough for her pockets. Because women love being pretty. And being pretty is expensive. Women gotta do nails. They gotta do their hair. They gotta have an iPhone for taking nice pictures. When not, chief, you can't afford all those things. Another nigga is promising her an iPhone. When you are still saying, baby, in 2022, I will take an installment for you. You see, I hate it when niggas invest so much energy in such things. I'm telling you, when you think this is a joke and you might think, oh, now we are bastards. No, man, I'm not a bastard. Trust me. I was once like you. I was once like you, mfana. I was once like you, 100% mfana. A sucker for love. Everything that I did, mfana, it was for love.